today I'm gonna be reviewing the Lululemon Cityverse sneaker. So this is definitely exciting. I'm not sure what to think of it, but I have tried it on and surprisingly, just from the fit, it's pretty good. So something about their shoe, I guess it's supposed to be very much like a everyday casual sneaker. Apparently it has 3D molded support that will help cushion your foot, non-stop traction, and pretty much is like for on the go. So let's go ahead and open it up. So it's really cool because it actually comes with these different types of laces. I think it's kind of like can't tell if it's blue or it's gray, but it definitely complements the white shoe itself. Yeah, so I did get the white on white, so very clean. I'm so afraid to get this dirty because just like, look, it's like a blank canvas, so I'm not so sure about it. But from off the bat, I love how it's like very, I guess like slender in a way. It's not too like wide. The only thing that I'm not such a big of a fan is like this part right here. I wish it was just flushed with just material, but now that I look close up to it, you can tell that the material is kind of like I wouldn't say paper-like, but it's kind of, you could tell it might be made with recycled materials. The shoe itself is very sturdy, doesn't have much bend to it. You can tell by the back there's somewhat of a traction, but I could say that it might wear out in a couple of years or wears. But overall, super cute. I would say it's good for photos or just like casual day to the mall, or even kind of like a night out. But I wouldn't recommend, I feel like, going to like traveling with this. I know some people might think that it's good for traveling, but we'll see. You could tell by the heel part, it's very supportive, very cushiony, which I really like because I have a problem with my heels rubbing against shoes. The flap itself is very cushioned, and the sole itself has pretty good, I wouldn't say support, but it's very good cushion like it mentions. But I'm gonna go ahead and wear this out today, and I will take you guys along with me and show how it looks. So final thoughts, I definitely loved wearing them out just for short distances. I do have flat feet, so I don't think it gives me the support that I need to wear it for. I could probably wear it max full day, but after that, I wouldn't say it's good for traveling. If you do wear it for traveling, definitely invest in a good pair of insoles to give you that support. Overall, it's super clean. I just know I'm gonna get it dirty 100%. So, I mean, that's the con of having white shoes. But if you are wanting something clean and like comfy for the day, or just like short errands, I would say definitely go for this. The price point isn't too bad. I believe it is. Price point itself is a little high. This is 178 Canadian, so normally I would probably buy a pair of sneakers maybe for like 150. That's just casual. I would pay more if it was like an actual running sneaker, but since this is more of just a casual wear, I would say that it's like, geez, it might not be worth the price in my opinion, but overall, like, I'm definitely gonna keep them, and we'll see how that goes in the future of wearing them. If you guys have any other questions, I can definitely answer below, and let me know what you guys think. If you tried this before, if I'm missing out something that can make it feel more comfortable, and I will see you guys